how to change name in Binance P2P. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change name in Binance P2P. After you open the Binance app like this now, go to this menu at the top left side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this more services. So from this more services, scroll to down. If you scroll to down under this help and support, now tap on this chat button. Now scroll to down and go to this get support, this one. So from this option, now tap on this one and type in P2P. Type P2P like this. So after you type P2P like this, now it will give you different option about the P2P. Just tap on this one. So tap on this one, P2P appeal status, the second option. So now it will give you this information like this. Now scroll to down again and tap on this message section and type in P2P again like this, P2P. So after you type in P2P like this, now tap on the send button now. So from this option now, after you type in P2P, it will give you this option. All you have to do now, tap on this customer service. Now if you tap on this customer service, now they will give you access to chat with customer support, live chat with a human, not a robot. So just tap on this customer service. So after you tap on the customer service like this, now if you scroll to down, as you can see now it gives you access to customer agent. So now I'm talking with a real human. Here it says welcome to Binance customer service. This is CS Retail. Here is the name CS. The name of the person now I'm chatting with is CS Resell. So if you scroll to down, as you can see, it says, may I ask you your name so I can address you properly? You can call me CS. Here is his name. So all you have to do now, just go ahead and type in this one. I want to change my P2P name. If you tap on this send button, from there it will ask you some question. From there they will change your P2P payment name. That's it on how to change your name on Binance P2P, or how to change your name on Binance automatically.